The 2025 Yamaha TT-R230 is an off-road motorcycle that offers ease of use, low maintenance, and excellent performance. Designed for both beginners and experienced riders, this bike combines a low seat height and smooth, torquey power to create a versatile and fun riding experience. It features a 223 cubic centimeters air-cooled SOHC 4-stroke engine that is reliable and delivers predictable power, making it suitable for a wide range of riding conditions. Key features. Convenient electric start. The TT-R230 is equipped with an electric start system that makes starting the bike simple and hassle-free. With just the push of a button, riders can quickly and easily get the bike running, making it ideal for new riders or those who want convenience. Proven engine design. The 223 cubic centimeters air-cooled SOHC 4-stroke engine features a 2-valve cylinder head design that delivers a broad, accessible power band. This engine is known for its reliability and smooth power delivery, which helps beginners and intermediate riders enjoy off-road riding without feeling overwhelmed. Ergonomic design. Inspired by Yamaha's YZ racing bikes, the TT-R230 has a flat seat and tank junction that allow the rider to move easily and maintain control. This ergonomic design provides greater mobility and comfort, enhancing the overall riding experience. Chassis and suspension. Robust frame. The bike features a diamond-type steel frame with a compact 1,385mm, 54.5 wheelbase. This design ensures superb maneuverability and responsive handling, making it easy to navigate various terrains. The frame's strength and durability are also key benefits, providing a reliable foundation for the bike. Advanced suspension. The TT-R230 is equipped with a linkage-mounted adjustable rear shock that offers 8.7 inches of smooth, progressive wheel travel. The 36mm front fork provides 9.4 inches of wheel travel, delivering plush and confidence-inspiring control over rough terrain. With 11.6 inches of ground clearance, the bike can handle a wide range of trails and obstacles. Engine and performance. Broad power band. The 223 cubic centimeters air-cooled SOHC 4-stroke engine delivers smooth, widespread power that is perfectly suited for all kinds of trails and riders. The electric start system adds quick-start convenience, while the 6-speed transmission with a heavy-duty clutch ensures maximum versatility and usable power delivery. Low maintenance. The TT-R230's engine includes an automatic cam chain tensioner, which reduces the need for frequent maintenance and extends the engine's lifespan. The CDI magneto ignition system is ultra-reliable and nearly maintenance-free, further enhancing the bike's reliability. Additional features. Comfort and styling. The TT-R230 features a long gripper seat that is low, comfortable, and allows for easy rider movement. The bike's Team Yamaha-inspired colors and graphics, along with front and side number plates, create a distinctive motocross styling. Large folding, cleated foot pegs provide excellent footing, even in wet or muddy conditions, while durable fork boots protect the fork seals and stanchion tubes. Braking and wheels. The bike is equipped with a 220mm front disc brake and a 130mm rear drum brake, providing powerful and confident stopping power. Full-size 21-inch front and 18-inch rear aluminum wheels reduce unsprung weight and offer excellent grip with their knobby tires, ensuring reliable performance on various terrains. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Yamaha TT-R230 is available at a US MSRP price of $4,699, making it an affordable option for both beginner and intermediate riders. In Canada, the MSRP is $5,699 CDN. The bike's combination of ease of use, reliable performance, and low maintenance requirements makes it a great choice for those looking to enjoy off-road riding.